Hello there, friends. My name is Jimbo, and I'm so excited you're joining me on this special mission. Today, we're going on a grand adventure to meet the top 10 biggest animals in the entire world. Our journey will take us from dry deserts to icy waters, from savannas filled with towering grass to oceans so deep that sunlight can barely reach them. Are you ready to begin? A strong gust of wind greets us as we step into a colorful hot air balloon. With a whoosh, we lift off into a bright blue sky. Soft clouds pass by, and below us, different landscapes start to appear one by one. I can almost feel your excitement, and I'm just as eager to get started. Let's head to our first stop and say hello to the 10th biggest animal on our list. Picture a wide, open grassland where the sun shines so brightly that the horizon shimmers like a golden sea. Tall grasses sway in the breeze, and scattered acacia trees offer welcome shade to herds of antelope and zebra. Overhead, the sky stretches endlessly, dotted with puffy clouds. This is the African savanna, home to the swift, flightless bird called the ostrich. Look closely at those tall, long-legged birds searching for seeds among the grass. These are ostriches, and they stand out because they can grow taller than many adults. Some even reach 9 feet high. Although they have wings, ostriches can't fly. Instead, they rely on their powerful legs to run as fast as a speeding car. Their enormous eyes help them see predators from far away, and their fluffy feathers keep them warm during cooler nights. Ostriches also lay huge eggs, each one bigger than a dozen chicken eggs combined. At number 10, the ostrich might be the smallest on our list, but it's still the biggest bird you'll ever see. Now imagine a realm of ice and snow stretching out in every direction. Glittering ice sheets reflect the pale sun, and biting winds carry tiny snow crystals through the air. It's a quiet landscape, broken only by the distant cracking of glaciers and the soft crunch of snow under heavy paws. This frozen world is home to the polar bear, our number 9. Polar bears blend in perfectly with their snowy environment thanks to their thick white fur. Underneath, a layer of blubber keeps them warm, even when temperatures drop below freezing. These bears roam icy coastlines and hunt seals by wading near breathing holes or breaking through thin ice. Though they move slowly most of the time, don't be fooled. They can sprint quickly when needed, and they're also strong swimmers, using their front paws as paddles. Whenever I think of polar bears, I picture them quietly walking across a vast white expanse, showing off their power and grace in the face of extreme cold. Feel the steamy heat of a tropical swamp where muddy waters mix with tangled tree roots. Mangrove trees rise from the marsh, their branches forming a thick canopy. Rays of sunlight filter through the leaves, forming dappled patterns on the surface of the water. Birds call from hidden perches, and the air is rich with the scent of wet earth. In these muggy, brackish waters lurks the saltwater crocodile, number 8 on our list. Known as the largest reptile on Earth, it can reach lengths comparable to a small car. Most of the time, just its eyes and nostrils peek above the water's surface, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come close. Despite its sluggish appearance, it can strike with lightning speed when hunting fish, birds, or even larger mammals. Its massive jaws and strong tail make it a formidable predator in these swampy domains. Saltwater crocodiles are patient hunters, reminding us that sometimes stillness is the ultimate power in nature. Shift your focus to another part of the African continent, where open grasslands stretch far into the distance. The ground is sun-baked and cracked, dotted with clumps of straw-like grass and low shrubs. Small dust devils twirl lazily across the plains, while a big sky arches overhead in brilliant blue. Walking across this open land is the white rhinoceros, number 7 on our list of biggest animals. Despite its name, the white rhino isn't actually white. The term comes from an old misunderstanding of a word meaning wide. This refers to their wide mouths, perfect for grazing on grasses. White rhinos can weigh as much as a small car, and their thick skin acts like armor. They have 2 horns on their snout, which they use for defense and to dig up roots. While they may look a bit lazy, rhinos can charge at surprising speeds if threatened. Observing a white rhino peacefully munching away on fresh grass is a calming sight, reminding us that even tough giants need to eat their greens. Now envision a slow-moving river winding through patches of tall reeds, papyrus plants, and sandy banks. The sun is at its peak, beating down on the muddy shore where large, barrel-shaped animals gather half-submerged in the water. You can hear low grunts and the steady plop of water as they move about. These are hippopotamuses, or hippos for short, and they take the number 6 spot. Their round bodies and short legs make them look clumsy, but don't be fooled. They are strong swimmers and can run fast on land when they feel threatened. Hippos spend much of their day wallowing in rivers or lakes to keep cool, poking just their ears, eyes, and nostrils above the surface. At night, they may wander onto land to graze on grass. Though they appear calm, hippos are actually very protective and can be quite dangerous if something upsets them. Still, watching a group of hippos relaxing together is a peaceful scene that shows how these enormous animals rely on water to stay comfortable in the African heat. Close your eyes and imagine descending into the deep ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates the water. Below the surface, everything has a bluish glow, fading into near darkness the deeper you go. Strange fish flicker with bioluminescent light, and currents carry drifting plankton in an endless underwater dance. Living in these dark depths is the colossal squid, our number 5. Rarely seen, it remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Its body can be longer than a full-grown person, and its eyes are among the largest in the animal kingdom, perfect for spotting prey in the dark. Long tentacles with suction cups, some lined with tiny hooks, help the colossal squid grab fish and other creatures. Because these squids live so far down, scientists still have much to learn about them. The thought of such a massive, secretive creature gliding through the darkness is a reminder that our oceans hold countless surprises waiting to be discovered. Next, return to Africa, but this time to a more wooded savanna with clusters of acacia trees. The grass grows a little taller here, and bright sunlight streaks through the leaves. Birds sing from tree branches, and a soft rustling of insects creates a lively daytime soundtrack. Towering above the treetops are giraffes, number 4 on our list. They are the world's tallest land animals, with some reaching heights of up to 18 feet. Their long necks allow them to munch on leaves far out of reach for other herbivores. Spot patterns on their coats vary from giraffe to giraffe, helping them blend in with the dappled light. Even their tongues are long, sometimes up to 20 inches, and dark-colored to protect against the sun while they feed. Watching a giraffe bend down for a drink is quite a show, as it must spread its front legs wide to lower that towering neck. Peaceful and elegant, giraffes truly embody the phrase, standing tall. Picture a sun-warmed savanna once again, but this time we approach a busy waterhole. Trees are more sparse, but the ones that do stand offer precious patches of shade. The ground vibrates with a low rumbling, and dust hangs in the air as a family of gray giants approaches the water's edge. Here we find the African elephant, number 3 in our countdown of Earth's biggest animals. Elephants are social creatures, often led by an older female called the matriarch. Each massive footstep leaves large, round impressions in the dusty ground. With their trunks, elephants greet each other, drink water, and even pick up objects. Their big ears help them keep cool in the African heat, acting like giant fans. But there's more than just size to admire. Elephants communicate with rumbles and low-frequency sounds we can't always hear. Watching them splash, drink, and play in the water shows a surprising gentleness for such enormous beasts. Now shift your senses to warm, crystal-clear tropical waters filled with vibrant fish and coral reefs. Rays of sunlight penetrate the surface, dancing on corals of all shapes and colors. Soft currents flow around you, carrying swaying strands of seaweed. Here swims the whale shark, number 2 on our list and the biggest fish in the ocean. Despite the name shark, whale sharks are usually gentle giants. They can grow as long as a school bus, yet their main food source is tiny plankton, which they filter from the water as they glide gracefully. Their bodies are covered in unique white spots, almost like a starry sky on their skin. Watching a whale shark move silently through the water is mesmerizing, reminding us that even the largest creatures can have calm, peaceful natures. Finally, imagine an endless expanse of deep blue water that stretches in every direction. Gentle waves rise and fall, reflecting the bright midday sun. The ocean's surface appears calm, but great depths hide countless marine wonders. Suddenly, a burst of spray rockets into the air, announcing the arrival of the world's biggest living animal. Say hello to the blue whale, number 1 in our countdown. This massive whale can grow longer than 2 school buses end to end, bigger than any dinosaur we know. Despite its enormous size, the blue whale survives on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, which it filters from the water using baleen plates in its mouth. A single breath from a blue whale can create a towering spout of mist that's visible from far away. Seeing one surface, arch its back, and reveal its giant fluke before diving again is a humbling experience that shows us just how magnificent life on Earth can be. We've reached the end of our journey through Earth's top 10 biggest animals. From the heat of the savanna where ostriches and white rhinos roam, to the icy north where polar bears reign, and finally to the oceanic depths where colossal squids and blue whales reside. Each creature stands out in its own way. Their sizes and shapes may differ, but they all share the power to amaze us. I hope you've enjoyed stepping into these scenes and learning how each animal fits perfectly into its habitat. Remember that our planet is home to countless more wonders, big and small, just waiting for curious explorers like you. Stay adventurous, keep learning, and always respect and protect the living world around us. Until next time, this is Jimbo signing off with a great big thank you for joining me on this tour of giants.